Hey guys, so here's another ACT math word problem today. It could be a little tricky, so I'm going to help you guys out. It has to do with trig functions. If the value to the nearest thousandth of cosine of theta is negative 0.385, which of the following could be true about theta? Remember, it's asking for which is true about theta, the angle, not cosine of theta. So, in order to solve this, we need to remember what the unit circle looks like. So the unit circle is essentially a circle that looks something like, if I could draw a circle better, that would be nice though, this. Around here, we have 0 or 2 pi. Hang on, let me close my door. At the 90-degree mark, we have pi over 2. At the 180-degree mark, we have pi. And at the 270-degree mark, we have 3 pi over 2. Okay, so the thing about this now is each of these coordinates have an x-coordinate and a y-coordinate. Cosine of theta is the x-coordinate. And sine of theta is the y-coordinate. So, if cosine of theta is negative, this is quadrant 1, this is quadrant 2, this is quadrant 3, and this is quadrant 4. If cosine of theta is negative, that means x is negative. So right away, this is out, quadrant 1 is out, and quadrant 4 is out. It has to be between pi over 2 and 3 pi over 2. Theta has to be between pi over 2 and 3 pi over 2. Well, let's look at our answer choices. We have between 0 and pi over 6. We can completely eliminate that because that's less than pi over 2. We have pi over 6 and pi over 3. We can eliminate that because that's less than pi over 2 as well. We have between pi over 3 and pi over 2. We can eliminate that as well because that's not less than pi. That's not greater than pi over 2. That's less than. So we're left with D and E. So this is where it gets a little tricky. It's between pi over 2 and 2 pi over 3, or between 2 pi over 3 and pi. Okay, so in order to do this, you actually just have to map out the values. That's something I traditionally don't do, so it didn't actually come into my mind, but you could do that. So what is the cosine of pi over 2 and the cosine of 2 pi over 3? So what's cosine of pi over 2? Cosine of pi over 2 equals 0. Okay, and then what is the cosine of 2 pi over 3? That's negative half. Okay, right away we found our answer. Why? Because negative 3.85 has to be between 0 and negative half. So the correct answer would be D. And we can eliminate E because E is between negative half and negative 1, which doesn't make any sense because negative 3.385 is not between negative half and negative 1. So E is eliminated. Yeah. So thank you for tuning in with me and tuning in to this tutorial with me. And if you need any help or anything, just contact me at debarshikunduzero@gmail.com and I'll help you. Please subscribe and have a good day.